Maranga ake ai. There's a movement on the street. People moving, they shuffle to the beat. I hear them talking on the street. Words like freedom from oppression, 'cause that's what my people need. So when you hear me, Malanga ke ai, Akwane, Malanga ke ai. I said it soon come now. How much longer must we keep on talking? A million miles already, and we still go walking. All my life I get taught about the right of the great white way. I said, how much longer before we get up and say, what people? Maranga ke ai, ai, ai. Eteiwi, maranga ke ai. I said it soon come down. No more knocking on closed doors. I said, Maori people, gotta wake up, gotta take up the course. Can you feel it coming? A brand new time. I said,